So guys, here's the LED lights that I'm using. As you can see, the reviews is quite good. We got 11,014, 4.6 out of 5 with that. Get out of here. And then even right now you get a 10% off coupon, and if you want to go with an open box, you've got a couple starting at 25 bucks. The car I'm installing is a 2014 Chevy Malibu. Now this will be the same situation for, I believe it's 2013 through 2015. But what I have here is just a pack of LED lights, headlights by, I'm not sure if this is Scoparc or Scoparc LED lighting, Sealight. I'm not sure who makes who, but that's what it is, what it looks like. This was highly reviewed on Amazon, so I just kind of went with it. So as you can see, this is the box. You got 2 lights. It's got the cooling. It's basically a heat sink. Seems to be passive cooling. There's not an actual fan on here. They give you a box with, looks like a couple of gloves. Sure to be a bad idea to actually touch this part of the LED. You don't want to get the oils from your hands on it, so might be a good idea to use a glove for when you're handling those. As you can see, you have this, some people call this a ballast. From what I understand, on LEDs it's not called a ballast, but it's something similar that it needs to condition or do something with the power before it goes to the LED. So you get a little booklet, a couple of zip ties. As you can see, you're gonna have some length of cable here, and look like some two-sided kind of sticky tape, and that's probably to, if you want to kind of stick this somewhere in the car. But real quick, let's go to the car. So like I said, guys, this is the 2014 Chevy Malibu. I'm gonna be replacing the regular beams, not the high beams. Obviously I'm going to be working on the passenger side first here. So this one furthest to the outer edge of the car, this is the high beam. We're going for the low beam, so that's this one. So you can see just a quarter turn, then you're able to take this off. Then I get down in here, another quarter turn, and the bulb comes out. Here's the bulb, and it's not a lot of slack, so it's gonna be hard to actually do it and film it. But you're gonna have to press in there, and then pull the bulb out. So I'm pressing this little clip and pull the bulb. Now this bulb is trash. One of these is blown out, and I'm never going to use them again either way, so doesn't matter about touching this. But normally you don't want to touch this part of the bulb. Now for these, I'm gonna go ahead and put the glove on because they did include it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert it and give it the twist. Alright, so I inserted it. It was maybe about 10 o'clock or so, and then I turned it to 12 o'clock. So now that's in. I'm gonna take the plug and plug it into this harness. Now all this extra to get this cap back on, all this extra, it's gonna have to kind of go inside of here. Some space in there, up under the bulb. There's some space. So you can see this glove is pretty dirty. I'm gonna use the new glove to do the other light. So the other light, it's even more difficult to see than this one. So I'm not gonna record it, but I will get you guys an update. All right guys, so over here, I was trying to figure out how I'm gonna get to this because this is all in the way. And actually, it just pops right out of there. This is your filler neck for your windshield wiper fluid. So once that's out of the way, you can actually get to this, and that'll let you change the bulb for your other side, your driver's side. All right, check this out guys. So here's a new light. Might be kind of difficult to tell, with these types of halos, it almost seems like the light is dim, but I'm sure it's fine. But we'll really see tonight. But you can see that's a very white light. Here's the old one. It's a very yellow light. And these are definitely very dim. So guys, you can see at night, these new LED lights illuminate the entire headlamp a lot better, and they are nice and bright. These are 6000K, so they have that nice high white light. Now the camera, it really makes it hard to see what's really going on and how it looks in real life, but I can tell you these lights are a lot brighter than what I had previously. And the light is very white. There is plenty of light. There's no doubt about that. So if you guys like this video, you want to see more like it, please comment, like, and subscribe. You know the deal. Also, I do have Amazon affiliate links in the description if you want to pick yourself up a pair of these particular LED bulbs, and they are working out quite nicely for me. So thank you for watching.